Hey, Todd. You recall yesterday we were talking about a way to automatically update pages within a course in Canvas that would let us put the outline or the wrapper for the iDesign template onto that page without having to go in and edit each individual page. I think I have figured something out. I think I found a way to programmatically go through a course, and every page that's published, it will wrap in the iDesign template, but if it's already wrapped, it won't double wrap it, if that makes any sense, which is actually very important because you end up, if you double wrap something, it looks terrible because you have two watermarks and two lines, and I'll show you what I mean here shortly. But I just wanted you to know, I think I figured something out, so I'm going to demonstrate it and also document it so that you can see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and look at the desktop. Okay, as you can see, I'm in a class and it has absolutely nothing as far as iDesign goes. There's no watermark, there's no color, there's no the Grayson values down here at the bottom. This is just blank white pages that are set up. Now this is a notebook class, so it does not it doesn't matter if I mess this up. So it's just basically a place to hold content. But it is a class. It does have a class ID 45796, and so I'm going to go ahead and copy that because that's how we identify the class within the script that I've written. And so we've got this class set up, and now I am going to see if I can run it. All right, first of all, we need to put in the course ID 45796 into the script. So I'll pull up the script, and 45796 is what that should be. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. All right, and now I'm going to pull up a command prompt, and I'm going to go to where that script is, and I'm going to I can see it. Yep, there it is. Wrap Canvas pages. So I'm going to run that. And it is going through the process now. And as it comes to each individual published page, it's adding that HTML if it's not already there. And once it does that, then it should be finished. Now, hopefully this class doesn't have hundreds of pages in it. I guess I should have thought about that, but I don't think it does. This is content that I use in my Linux class that I'm teaching this time. All right, so it's got 32 pages. Apparently 4 of them are unpublished, and that's what it filters on, is unpublished pages. So what I thought is we just leave the pages we don't want to wrap. When we're building our class out, we leave those pages unpublished. The ones we want to look like iDesign, we publish. We run the script, and then we go back and work on the unpublished pages. But at this point, this class should be without it won't have the iDesign homepage, and it won't have all the icons and all that, but it will have the general outline for the page. So let's refresh our front page here. And sure enough, we've got the 6 Grayson values down here, and we got the blue line, we've got the watermark image in the background. Let's go ahead and click on modules, and we'll just go through and see if it got all the published pages. So sure enough, it looks like it has. All right, it looks pretty good. So basically, except we would have to go back and do a little bit of editing on situations like this. Essentially what you'd have to do is go into the bottom of this page and add a couple of blank spaces and then save it. And that's all you'd have to do to fix that, where it doesn't look funny anymore. But at any rate, yes, it appears we can programmatically modify pages. Any page that was published, it should have wrapped. Now let's go look at an unpublished page and see if I have an unpublished page. It said I had 4. Okay, there's an unpublished page right there. So course policies, this one should not be wrapped. But it appears to not be wrapped. There's no color down there or anything. So I'm guessing that it did not wrap that page. Let's go back and try to find another one that has some content in it. Okay, this one here, college policies, that one also not wrapped. And let's do one more. Grading late work attendance. No, Grayson College policies. Let's go there. And that one is also not wrapped. So it looks like it skipped the ones that are not published. So we can set this up to skip the ones that are not published and then work on those after we get our content pages and quiz pages, things like that in. All right, so let me know what you think, if this is going to be useful, worthwhile investment of time. I can polish it up a little bit and add some tweaks as we need to, but so far it looks like it works pretty well. So for someone like, say, Dr. Machen, who didn't really want to go and do a lot of page editing, just have him publish the pages that he wants to look like that, and I can go in very quickly, run the script one time, and his whole class will, or his course will look like an iDesign course. And the good part about it is it checks to make sure that the page is not already wrapped. So if it already has the iDesign look, it has the watermark and the colors and the text in the background or whatever, it won't do anything to that page. It'll just skip it. So let me know what you think.